Do you ever replay conversations in your head, wishing you had said things differently? You're not alone. Whether it's struggling to deliver the perfect comeback, express your feelings more clearly, or simply say anything other than cool, 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 we've all had those cringeworthy moments. For some, even a casual, "How was your weekend?" feels like a pop quiz you didn't study for. And don't even get me started on the post-conversation breakdown. Why did I say that? Do they think I'm weird now? If this sounds familiar, take a deep breath. The good news? Great communicators aren't born, they're made. If you've ever felt stuck in awkward interactions or misunderstood, this is your chance to break free. Ready to transform your communication skills? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with game-changing strategies to help you own every conversation. Know your audience. Before you even open your mouth, take a second to think, who are you talking to? And no, you don't need their life story or favorite pizza toppings. Just get a general sense of their vibe. Are they millennials glued to their phones? Gen Zers who communicate in memes? Baby boomers who appreciate a bit more formality? Tailoring your message makes all the difference. Also, be flexible. Speaking at a professional event? Keep it polished and structured. Hanging out with friends? Relax and keep it natural. The goal isn't to be someone you're not, it's to meet people where they are. Clarity is key. We all know that one person who never stops talking. You nod along, pretending to listen, while secretly plotting your escape. Don't be that person. Instead, master the art of being direct, brief, and engaging. But clarity isn't just about saying less, it's about saying things better. People who use a rich vocabulary sound more articulate and confident. But let's be real, nobody likes a walking thesaurus. If you're dropping $10 words, at least pair them with simpler synonyms. Keep it classy, not confusing. Master nonverbal communication. Words are only half the battle. Your body does a lot of talking too. Think of nonverbal cues as the secret sauce that makes your message more effective. Posture. Stand or sit up straight. Confidence starts with body language. Eye contact. Look at people when you speak. Don't scan the room like you're planning your escape. Gestures. Use open hand movements instead of crossing your arms like you're guarding a treasure chest. Tone of voice. Avoid the dreaded monotone. Vary your pitch, volume, and pace to keep things interesting. If your words say, "I'm excited," but your body screams, "I'd rather be anywhere else," people will believe your body every time. Handling nerves like a pro. Whether it's sweaty palms, shaky hands, or suddenly sounding like a squeaky toy, nerves can sabotage even the best prepared speaker. But here's how to keep them in check. Deep breathing. A 2018 study in the Journal of Behavioral Medicine found that deep breathing significantly reduces anxiety before public speaking. So, before you speak, take a few slow, deep breaths. Visualization. Picture yourself delivering your message with confidence. Oprah does it, and if it works for one of the best communicators ever, it can work for you too. Smile. It's the universal signal for, "Hey, I've got this." Plus, people are naturally drawn to warm, approachable speakers. The power of storytelling. Science backs this up. A Wharton School of Business study found that stories make presentations 20% more engaging than plain facts. Instead of saying, "It's important to persevere," share a personal experience. Stories evoke emotion and make messages stick. Just don't overdo it. Nobody wants to sit through your life's entire Netflix series. Ask more questions. Want to keep people engaged? Ask questions. A well-placed question snaps people out of their mental autopilot. Instead of saying, time management is important, try, what would you do if you had an extra hour every day? Questions make conversations interactive rather than a one-person monologue. Even rhetorical questions work. Isn't it funny how we always find time for Netflix but never for self-care? See what I did there? You're probably nodding right now. Humor, the ultimate icebreaker. Humor is like salt. It makes everything better when used correctly, but ruins the dish if overdone. A well-timed joke or lighthearted comment can break the ice, ease tension, and make you more likable. Just keep it appropriate. What's hilarious at a party might bomb in a boardroom. And for the love of all things sacred, avoid offensive jokes. The power of silence. Ever notice how a dramatic pause can make people lean in? Silence is a power move. It builds suspense and commands attention. Try this. After making a key point, pause. It might feel awkward at first, but trust me, it makes your words land harder. Listen more than you talk. Listening isn't just about waiting for your turn to speak. It's about actually hearing the other person. Maintain eye contact, but don't stare like a serial killer. Ask follow-up questions to show you care. React with empathy or enthusiasm. The best conversationalists make others feel heard. Be that person. Disagree without the drama. Disagreements don't have to turn into a WWE match. Tone matters more than words. A 2014 University of California study found that tone accounts for 38% of how a message is received, while words make up only 7%. If emotions are running high, hit pause. Studies show that taking breaks during heated discussions leads to better outcomes. Sometimes the smartest move is to know when to zip it. Final thoughts. Confidence is key. Confidence isn't something you wake up with. It's something you build. Every awkward moment, every conversation, every small step outside your comfort zone makes you better. So go ahead, practice, laugh at your mistakes, and keep improving. Because the only way to get better at communication is to keep communicating. Want more tips? Check out our next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content.